If you plan to breed your dog or prevent a pregnancy, it is important to understand the stages of the female dog's heat cycle. Though each dog is different, there are noticeable signs that can alert you when your dog is in heat and receptive to mating. In this video, we'll walk you through each stage of the heat cycle and show you how to care for your girl as she goes through them. Keep watching. Frequency. Although the time intervals can vary between breeds, most female dogs will go in heat twice per year or every 6 months. With that said, small breeds can experience their heat cycles 3 to 4 times per year, while large breeds may only cycle once per year. While small breed dogs can cycle up to 3 times per year, it is normal for their cycle to be irregular when they first begin experiencing heat cycles. It is not uncommon for female dogs to take a few years to develop a regular cycle. Signs of heat. The estrus cycle is often noticed when the swelling or engorgement of the vulva occurs. However, the swelling may not be obvious in all dogs. The female will experience a bloody vaginal discharge, resulting in the female licking or paying more attention to her vulva. Sometimes, but not always, the female's nipples and breasts will swell slightly, though this can also be a sign of a phantom pregnancy. Length of cycle. The average heat cycle for most dogs is 2 to 3 weeks. However, the number and length of the female's heat cycles can vary between breeds and from dog to dog. It can be a shorter or longer period. You will know when the cycle is over when her vulva returns to normal size and the bleeding and discharge have stopped. During the heat cycle, there is a small window of time when the dog is fertile. The fertility may begin 9 or 10 days after she goes in heat, lasting about 5 days. It should be noted that the dog can become pregnant until the end of the cycle. Stages of heat. There are 4 different stages of the heat cycle. The proestrus stage marks the beginning of the bleeding, lasting typically 10 days. During this stage, the dog may urinate more and its vulva is enlarged or swollen. When your dog is willing to breed, she has entered the estrus stage. This is the time period you must keep a close eye on your female if you do not plan to breed her. During the diestrus stage, the changes your female experiences are all internal. A lot of ovarian activity occurs during this stage. This stage typically lasts 6 to 10 weeks. The final stage, the anestrus stage, is the time during which your dog does not have any hormonal activity. Care tips. The care given to your female during the heat cycle should concentrate on keeping her comfortable. The female can become easily agitated, pacing, whimpering, and panting during this time. It may be best to separate the female from the other dogs during the cycle period. If you do not plan to breed your dog, it is highly advised you have your dog spayed, benefiting her health and your sanity as the caregiver. If the owner intends to breed the female, it is strongly advised to wait until the dog has experienced her second cycle, as the eggs are not yet mature enough to be viable. Gaining a greater understanding of your female dog's heat cycles will prove beneficial for both you and her. For more info on taking care of your pet, check out our site at goldendoodleadvice.com. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.